Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your game progress on your PlayStation 5. So maybe you want to start over or something like that. What you want to do is go up to settings right here. Go down to where it says save data and game app settings. And then you have to decide if it's a PS5 or PS4 game. Then go to the right. So you're going to have to delete it in two places to completely get rid of it. So you have console storage right here, and then you have cloud storage. So let's go to where it says maybe console storage first. And then we can go over to delete. And then just choose the single player progress in the game. So it could be like, I don't know, Ark Survival. Extended, that was kind of a lame game. But let's go to delete. And this will delete the single player progress off our PlayStation. And then we want to do this to the cloud storage too, so it doesn't sync up and download it. And go over to delete from PlayStation Plus Cloud. And find the same game. And then delete it. And this will completely get rid of the game and all the data from it. Now you don't have to worry about it syncing up together right here. Then we can go back to this option. So you should be able to start a new game on your PlayStation 5. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.